How's it going out there, K County Accountability? Thought I'd tell you guys, what happened today at Punxsutawney Municipal Court. Which, guys, I hoped for the best, but I expected the worst. So, already have, for pretty much typed up some appeals and everything, because I figured they were going to, violate my constitutional rights, which, I hoped they wouldn't. But then again, I hope they would, because then it would give me, reason to file complaints against the judge and everything. Which, guys, my constitutional rights were, under the color of law, were completely violated today. The judge refused to listen to Marbury versus Madison, which is one of the most groundbreaking case laws for our Constitution, which I'm pretty sure it's a binding authority, which I'm trying to confirm that. I haven't confirmed it yet. But I'm pretty sure Marbury versus Madison is a binding case law that, all courts are bound by. However, judge straight up stated that he wasn't going to listen to it. Guys, they denied my discovery because I did it under federal ruling, which I figured that would give it more, make it more binding and stuff, that they'd have to fill it. Well, the city attorneys, this isn't a federal court, blah, 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 blah. However, the supremacy clause of the U.S. Constitution, Article 6, Section 2 of the U.S. Constitution, both constitutional law and federal law supersede state law, which means supersede municipal law. So, federal supersedes state and stuff. So, not only did my discovery get denied, they just completely, I was just completely railroaded. The judge, he made derogatory terms, called me names, called my nephew that I had there as a witness, because they're a non-record keeping court, but, I've got a recording. Not video, but I have a recording. And, and thank you to Oklahoma Community Watch, him and, his other Native brethren, for being around. Dude, there was 8 cops in that fucking courtroom, because I'm pretty sure that they, thought Chewy, or they thought OCW was going to be with me, which he was. He just wasn't there in the court. We had other, plans on that. So thank you to him for taking out time out of his day and, to be there and stuff. I have multiple witnesses. There was officer, like I said, 8 officers there, and I really hope their body cams were going, because I'm requesting that for the appeal. And I thought it was funny because the judge really stated, I'm sorry, but a judge is required to be impartial and fair. Guys, there's recording. He was very unimpartial. He was very unfair. In the beginning, I was like, man, I don't know. I don't want to do this trial because you're already trying to violate my constitutional rights. And, he was going to put me in jail if I didn't. And then the city attorney stated, and I love I love video because video don't lie. The city attorney tried to say the judge did not threaten to arrest me if I didn't put in a plea, which is a violation of Rule 11 of Code of Judicial Conduct. Yeah, he did. It's on fucking video. He straight up says, if I don't put in a plea, then I'm going to go sit in his jail. I believe those are close to his exact words. I'm going to have to rewatch it, and, but that's pretty close to his words. But according to the city attorney, because he's such a, an authoritative figure, didn't take an oath or nothing. He's not under any oath as city attorney. And then trying to say that I was in contempt because I was just trying to state case law, and the judge kept interrupting me. The city attorney kept interrupting me. They can interrupt you all, it's fucking ridiculous. You're just trying to make a statement. All I was trying to do was, he stopped me in the middle of 6th Amendment. I was trying to read the 6th Amendment, and the fucking judge stopped me. He didn't want to hear it. He does not want to abide by Constitution, which he's bound by. Article 6 of the United States Constitution. Judges are bound by the Constitution. Didn't want to hear that. Didn't want to hear that either. It was complete travesty. It was a fucking kangaroo court. I was supposedly in contempt, but it was the city attorney acting a fucking fool. All I was trying to do was make statements of facts, and nope. My entire constitutional rights, my right to defend myself, my right to due process, no, It was all fucked today. It's okay. Um, don't worry. My appeal, I've just got to finish typing it up, print it out, and get it in. But I thought it was funny. The judge really, I can't wait till you take this in front of a K County judge. You really fucking think I would take this to K County, you dumb fuck? I'd take this to K County. I'm taking it to appellate court. Like state, no. Like, you think I would trust anyone in county? Like, I mean, come on. Like, and guys, I guess Oklahoma, they don't have to be, a judge doesn't have to be bonded. Found that out today. It's news to me. I guess if they're voted in, they don't have to be bonded. And that's crazy. But anyways, guys, yeah. More to come. Like, I probably won't be releasing this recording. I may have somebody else do it for me. It just depends. But I got a lot to go over, and before I can even release it, I've got it's going to be used as evidence and shit. So, guys, like, I'll keep you updated though. Take care. Always from the police.